Welcome to Understand the Math. I'm going to show you exactly how to verify this trig identity. In this problem, we have more terms on the left, so we'll start with that. We'll begin by multiplying our left-hand side out. This gives us cosine x times secant x minus cosine squared x. We can see that cosine and secant are going to cancel because secant x is 1 divided by cosine x. Let's go ahead and plug that in. We have cosine x times secant x, which is now 1 divided by cosine x, minus cosine squared x. This gives us 1 minus cosine squared x. Let's then remind ourselves that sine squared x plus cosine squared x is equal to 1. So 1 minus cosine squared x is sine squared x, which is great. On the left now we have sine squared x, and that matches up with what we have on the right.
If this video has been helpful to you, please consider subscribing to my channel. Keep believing in yourself and have a great rest of your day.